Good day everyone, I am Mark Kenneth Francisco. Today, I am going to evaluate attendance management system and he is...
Hi, I'm Kim De Chavez and I will be the one who will navigate through the system. So the system lets you check your attendance and it has options where you can choose your section and the subjects. So this is the login page where the user can put their institutional number and their password in order to log into the system.
So what if I enter the wrong detail? So this system is a good format and the font size are readable. And if I enter the wrong detail, this error message will show up. So this is the home page. So what if I'm choosing a section, for example BS Info 1A, then the next one is choosing a subject. For example, I choose ITEP 101. So this is the attendance checker. First one, I'm filling up my full name, student ID, or whether if I'm absent, present, or late, and the date. So what if I am done?
So the third one is the schedule checking page where you can choose your section.
So what if I chose BS Info 1A?
This will show up. It has the list of the schedules of your chosen section. So this is the fourth one, the attendance history checking, where you can see the list of all the attendance of your section.
So what if I chose BS Info 1D?
So this page let you pick the date and time of your attendance.
So what if I want to check the attendance of February 3?
So here you can edit your attendance, and once you're done you can submit it, and this will pop up. This is the last one, the notification page, where you can see all the notifications of your attendances from all the subjects.